Yeah, so good afternoon. I'm Frederik. I'm the founder of FaunaPhotonics, which is a Copenhagen-based ag tech startup. We operate out of Denmark internationally. So what do? We detect insects in fields. We're able to deliver technology that tells the partners and the customers what's in the field, when it's in the field, and where it's in the field. And this is entirely for insects, both pests, pollinators, and beneficials, whatever is flying around out there in the environment. Why are we doing this? We're, like everybody else here, working for a greener planet, making the planet more sustainable and a better place to live. This is our first product. It's a stationary sensor. It primarily tells the farmer when to act in the field and go in and usually intervene with some sort of control methodology. Often it's insecticides. What we can do here is that we can tell the farmer when to be diligent about it, how to use it with care, how to use it more precisely so that they use less of it. Building on this technology, we ventured into smart sensors on sprayers, and we've been working with a company called John Deere for quite some time on this, and testing whether we could integrate this into real-time see and spray. And this means that once you drive through very, very large hectares or acres of land, you're able to detect insects in certain crops on certain species as you drive through, and then only spray where it's needed. And also not to spray if there's a high density of pollinators that you want to protect. And this means that you can save on chemicals again, using our smart sensor technology and detection methods. These are some of the partners and collaborators we've been working with over the years. It spans from food companies to ag chems to equipment manufacturers, and it's in several countries. So we did start locally, but we've been in France, Germany, UK, United States, and right now we have people in Brazil. So it's a lot of fun. The latest product we're working on is a new algorithm that uses the same detection methods, but a different data technique. And here we're able to, in any given area that use the sensor technology, to say something about the insect biodiversity. Is there a lot of biodiversity, a lot of species richness, species biomass present? Is there not so much? And we started locally again, and we're quite surprised actually. We got customers, everything from large estates, castles with a lot of hectares of land that are trying to find methods and ways to restore their habitat. They wanted to see whether what they're doing is actually helping. We have municipalities in Denmark joining, and we have large food companies like Neste also joining. And we're seeing that a lot of the ESG measurements and sustainability development goals they're working on, these corporates and food producers, they also are interested in being able to measure their impacts. Insect biodiversity is a really, really good measure for how nature is doing. We started as a university spin-off, so it's taken some time to take the technology out of the university and build the first commercial sensors and our own production and distribution of this. We're today 30 people, small but efficient company with quite diverse talent, spanning everything from data software and of course also hardware and data analytics. Yeah, so we raised $15 million since we started from only private investors. We haven't taken VC in yet, but we are considering that for next stage. We've gotten $5 million in revenue grants and the like. And we've built an organization that can then take this to the next level. So thank you very much. And please send your CV if you want to join me on it.
Okay, I think that's it.